The finished beef stock looking good. Beef stock the next day. It's been chilling. Now we're going to use our ladle and carefully remove a small amount of the excess fat and impurities, just like this. Discard this. After you do a tasting on the beef stock, you might find it necessary to add some more beef base. In this case, I'm adding about a tablespoon. Okay, first step then is to brown the beef. Before I brown it, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, as well as a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Oh yeah, just like that. I've got a hot Dutch oven. We're going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to start browning the meat. Let it cook. After the beef begins to brown, we add some of our onions and garlic. Let it cook. At this point, I'm going to add my soaked barley. And I'm going to start adding my beef stock. Let this simmer. I'm also using a second pan to saute some of the vegetables. Carrots go into the soup. I've also decided to add one zucchini and some red pepper for color. Okay, a real fast way to cut a zucchini. Top off, bottom off. Line it up. Your fingers rolled back. 4 slices. There we go. It's kind of a nice decorative touch. And for the sweet pepper, something you might not have seen before. Cut off the top and the bottom. Pull the center out. Very cool. Remove the pith like this. This part does not taste so good. Discard that. 2 perfect halves. Nice. I'm looking for a medium dice. Real quick with the knife here. Get good with the knife, you get really fast. Line them up like that. Okay, fingers roll back. Consistent cuts. That's what I'm looking for. To the soup. The soup is simmering perhaps a bit too fast. Turn down the temperature. Very slow simmer. Of course, we're going to be putting some champignons next. Mushrooms, finishing touch. They go in at the end. And I'll be back. For beef barley soup, I prefer my mushrooms cut on the thicker side. Just got to get used to your knife and get used to using the tip of it. I'm just going to cut these into some thicker pieces like this. 1/4 of an inch approximately. You can also leave a few slices of stems. They look pretty cool like that too in the soup. Okay, mushrooms are going in the soup. Okay, the soup's looking good. At this step here, at this point, I'd like to take a little bit of soup in a glass bowl and make sure I get a little of everything and give it a taste and adjust the seasonings. Want to make sure the beef is tender too. So here we go. Oh yeah. Wow, it's good. It needs a pinch of salt. Oh, the finished beef barley soup. Looking really, really good. Very, very nice. Okay, I'm going to put a sprig of parsley on this. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the recipes right here and make sure to check out part 1. Try this recipe out, come back, leave a comment, smash that like button, and get cooking. Oh, it's going to be good. Beef sirloin, beef flavored fettuccine, julienne carrots, grilled tomato, and fresh herbs. Oh, a side note, Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. That's where you can score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all Butcher Block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions. 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day.